Take out the machine and all the accessories. The medium white rubber ring in the accessory bag is the replacement for the ring and the inlet. Unscrew the knob of the inlet. You will see the rubber ring which can be replaced when it is broken. Unscrew the knob of the inlet. You will see the cotton filter. The cotton filter here should be changed once a week. The replacing ones are big ones. Please note, the outlet is on the left of the device, and inlet is on the right of the device. Install the power cord. Twist the section knob to the right to increase the section to the max. Put your finger on the inlet. If you feel being sucked tightly, then the device can be used in normal function. When operating the grease cup, insert one end of the white rubber hose into the inlet and insert the other end into the end of the grease cup. There are 3 grease cups. The big one is for the big area on body. The middle one is for arms and legs. The small one is for face, neck, and small areas. Essence should be applied evenly to the operating area. Adjust the section according to one's feeling. Twist the knob to the left to decrease the section and twist it to the right to increase the section. The section is advised to be low for the first time of use to avoid causing pain. After operation, clean the grease cup, unscrew the handle, take off the dirty cotton filter, and place a new one in the handle. The technique of operation of greased cups is as the same as the cupping cups. That is, both cups need to be contacted with the skin fully at the same time. Then the section is produced. If only one cup contacts with the skin, will lead to air leakage. It can be used with essence or breasts enhancement products. There are 3 pairs of breast cups. Select the proper one according to your size of breasts. Clean the breast cups with saline after operation. When using the vacuum cups, insert one end of the rubber hose into the inlet and insert Y-shaped end into the 2 vacuum cups separately. There are 9 pairs of vacuum cups, 3 pairs of cupping cups, 3 pairs of face cups, 2 pairs of cleansing cups, 1 pair of private cup. Select the proper one according to your skin condition. Essence should be applied evenly to the operating area. Both cupping cups should be contacted with the skin fully at the same time when operating. When using one glass bottle only, one of the tubes and the one end of the Y-shaped rubber hose needs to be tied to avoid the air leakage. Thus, you can use only one vacuum cup to operate. Clean the glass bottle with saline after the operation. Clean the glass bottle with saline after the operation.